Welcome to ProPump Engineering, a well-established, award-winning company specializing in the supply of high-quality, low-density foamed concrete. The company was founded in 1991 by Trevor Ansell and David Aldridge, two engineers whose objective was, and still is, to develop and grow the foamed concrete market. Using the most technically advanced protein foaming agents with processing equipment designed in-house ensures a quality, non-compromised product. The award-winning ProPump Engineering service the civil engineering and infrastructure market with client-focused foamed concrete, completing projects all over the UK, as well as into Europe and further afield for some of the world's largest clients on some of the industry's most prestigious contracts. With an aim of 100% customer satisfaction, ProPump Engineering have attained ISO 9001 status, as well as being regularly audited for FORS, CHAS and construction line. Foamed concrete is produced on-site through the inline foaming system, operated by ProPump's experienced technicians. Producing materials from 350 kgs per cubic metre to 1700 kgs per cubic metre with corresponding strengths of 1 to 10 newtons in volumes between a few cubic metres to hundreds of cubic metres in a day. This inline process is extremely efficient, with up to 35 cubic metres of lightweight foamed concrete being produced from one 7 cubic metre ready-mix delivery of base material. As well as proving effective from a production perspective, the environmental positives are obvious, with one truck movement supplying the equivalent foamed concrete volume of 5 trucks, without the associated congestion and emission factors. Foamed concrete is a lightweight, free-flowing and self-compacting material. It has a similar viscosity to custard and will take up the form and shape of any void. Once cured, it is self-supporting and stable, but can be easily cut-tooled or re-excavated if required. To ensure material conformity and adherence to our quality procedures, the foamed concrete is continually monitored with density checks taken on-site and recorded on our own QA sheets. Samples are taken by way of a calibrated 10-litre density pot and scales. When required, cubes are taken in 150mm polystyrene moulds for analysis by a NAMAS accredited test house, with the information then added to our database of results spanning over 20 years. This enables predictive forecasting of strength and density relationships for a variety of mixed designs. For any foamed concrete requirements, please contact ProPump Engineering Limited. ProPump Engineering, making light work of concrete.